So I've got this old car, a hot rod, a serious piece of iron, a dual exhaust rumbler, a tire smoking, gear shifting, full bore screaming hunk of Detroit vintage technology, speeding my heart like a mainline shot of adrenaline every time I step on the gas.
This is the shifter knob from Craig, and as you can see here, if this thing will focus, come on, there we go, come on. Alright, see these lines right here? I'm going to paint in there, paint that in there. I'm going to first clean this up really good, and then I'm going to paint in there with something that two-stroke turbo did, and so I'm going to try that, polish it up and try that out, and we'll see how it turns out. But take you guys along, and this is what it looks like before, and I'll show you an after shot. So it's like brand new. It's really like brand new. Look at it. Looks pretty good, doesn't it? Came out pretty good. And what I used, some white paint pen like two-stroke turbo did, and a razor blade hobby knife. Then I just dried it up, painted it, scraped off the extra stuff. This is like 3 coats.